How to download and use PayPal on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily download and install PayPal on your computer. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. So in order to download PayPal, you will need an application called BlueStack, which is an Android emulator. So you can go ahead and download it for free. Just search for BlueStacks download and hit enter. You can download BlueStacks from this link right here. And once you download the installation file, just open the file and it will automatically download the application for you. Now, once you open up your application, you can directly search for PayPal for here, or you can just open your app player first. So just tap on app player and a new window will appear on your screen like this. So just wait for the app player to load completely. And there you will find Google Play Store. You will just have to log into your account from there. Now, once your app player is completely loaded, then what you can do is simply go ahead and click on this folder right here which says System Apps. And once you open up this folder, you'll find Google Play Store right here. Just open it up and make sure to log into your account. Now, once you are logged in, on the search bar, you can directly search for PayPal. So head over to search bar, tap on it, and here you can just simply search for PayPal. You will see the result right here. Now you can simply install the application from here. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.